New England School of Acupuncture is the oldest school of acupuncture in the United States. We've been around for over 40 years. We've been doing this for a long time, and we really have it down to a science.
We create for students an opportunity to start practicing pretty much on day one. Students will practice on a Lyme for the first week, and then they practice on themselves shortly after that, and then very quickly you're practicing on each other.
I tutored every week with a third year, and that really gave me a sense of community. The way the classes are set up, there would be a portion of lecture, and then we'd be in lab together practicing needling techniques, kinesiology palpation and anatomy palpation.
We think of you as an acupuncturist from the moment you walk through the door. We treat you that way in the classroom, and we expect that you will behave that way while you're here. Community and culture at MCPHS is an important part of all of our programming. In the field of acupuncture, which is a medicine that originates in another country, cultural competence and inclusion and diversity has always been an important part of the medicine.
Since we're part of a very large university, we have affiliations with lots of different hospitals, not only in the Worcester area, but also the Boston area as well.
Our students are fully prepared to enter the world of acupuncture and have a successful practice, whether it's a private practice or in an integrated setting or in a hospital setting.
When you come into our program, you get to meet some extraordinary people from a multitude of professions, and you create strong relationships as you go through it.
We all are on a group chat together. We use an app and we're talking to each other multiple times a day, reminding each other of assignments due or posting resources. There's this insatiable desire to learn and grow, and in my experience, if I've asked a question and the professors haven't been able to answer it completely, they always get back to me.
As we move more towards a patient-centered model of care, patients want different practitioners talking to each other. And I think the more that we do that and seeing current models that exist, the more we realize that can create a much more holistic, complete method of care for patients.
We need to have those collaboration as students so that when we finish the program, we're set up for success to be able to collaborate in hospital settings and research settings and even in multidisciplinary practices. My instructors here at NESA are tremendous, and that's something I really love about this profession is there's this curiosity that comes with the human that pursues acupuncture.